Open your file and type your text. Right-click on text layer and choose Select Pixel. Ctrl-C to copy and press Ctrl-D to deselect. Hide the text layer. Add a new layer. Go to Filter and choose Vanishing Point. Add your perspective point. Press Ctrl-V to paste your text. Press Ctrl-T and scale it as you need. When you finish, then press OK. Go to Layer Style and choose Blending Options. Select Satin. In Blending option, adjust the underlying layer. When you finish, then press OK. And it's done. Thanks.